Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. Well, this is Rosni and I am here to tell you something about the great Indian scientist Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. And I hope you all have at least once heard the name of Vikram Sarabhai. So let's start. His full name was Dr. Vikram Amlal Sarabhai. He was born on 12th of August 1919 in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. He was an Indian physicist and industrialist who initiated space research and helped in development of nuclear power in India. He is also known as the father of Indian space program. He was one of the eight children of industrialist Amlal Sarabhai and Sarla Devi. He was born in an affluent family of industrialists. He enjoyed his privileged childhood and the means to pursue all the education he wanted. From a young age, Sarabhai developed interest in science and mathematics. After completing his primary education from Seth Chimalal Nagindas Vidyalaya and Gujarat Arts and Science College in India, he moved abroad for further studies. He became obsessed with science and all that science has to offer over his course of stay in England. He enrolled at St. Johnson College, University of Cambridge, from where he received the tripos in natural science in 1940. However, he had to return home when World War II broke out. Nobel Prize winner and one of the most celebrated scientists of all time, Dr. C.V. Raman, served as his advisor for his doctorate. Doctoral thesis was on cosmic ray investigation in tropical latitude. Vikram Sarabhai wanted to conduct research on cosmic rays, which was something he undertook on the advice of eminent scientist C.V. Raman. His first scientific paper, Time Distribution of Cosmic Rays, was published in 1942. The Physical Research Laboratory (PRL) was founded in 1947 by Vikram Sarabhai. PRL had a modest beginning at his residence, the retreat with the research on cosmic rays. The year 1957 and 1958 was designated as International Geophysical Year (IGY). The Indian program for the IGY had been one of the most significant ventures of Sarabhai. This gave him exposure to new vistas of space science with the launching of Sputnik first in 1957. Subsequently, the Indian National Committee for Space Research (INCOSPAR) was just found under his chairmanship. In addition to having set up some of the biggest scientific organizations, he was also one of the founding members of Indian Institute of Management (IIM) Ahmedabad. The establishment of Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) was one of his greatest achievements in 1969. Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha, widely regarded as the father of India's nuclear science program, supported Dr. Sarabhai in setting up the first rocket launching station in India. This center, established at Thamba near Tiruvananthapuram on the coast of the Arabian Sea, primarily because of its proximity to the equator. After a remarkable effort in setting up the infrastructure, personnel, communication links, and launchpad, the inaugural flight was launched on November 21, 1963, with a sodium vapor payload. As a result of Dr. Sarabhai's dialogue with NASA in 1966, the Satellite Instructional Television Experimental (SITE) was launched during July 1975 to July 1976, when Dr. Sarabhai was no more. Dr. Sarabhai started a project for the fabrication and launch of an Indian satellite. As a result, the first Indian satellite Aryabhat was put in orbit in 1975 from a Russian cosmodrome. Dr. Sarabhai was very interested in science education and founded a community center at Ahmedabad in 1966. Today, the center is known as the Vikram Sarabhai Community Center. Some of the most well-known institutions established by Vikram Sarabhai are Physical Research Laboratory (PRL) Ahmedabad, Indian Institute of Management (IIM) Ahmedabad, Community Science Center Ahmedabad, the Apna Academy for Performing Arts Ahmedabad. He established this along with his wife. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center Tiruvananthapuram, Space Application Center, Ahmedabad, Faster Breather Test Reactor, FBTR, Kalpakkam, Variable Energy Cyclotron Center, Electronic Corporation of India Limited, Hyderabad, Uranium Corporation of India Limited, Jadugudda, Jharkhand. Now let's talk about his personal life. Vikram Sarabhai was son of Amblal Sarabhai and Sarla Devi. He came from a famous Sarabhai family of India who were major industrialists committed to the Indian independence movement. Vikram Sarabhai fell in love with classical dancer Mrunalini and married her in 1942. The couple had two children. Dr. Malika Sarabhai, who is known as the actress and activist, and his son Kartikeya Sarabhai become an active person in science. During his lifetime, he participated in Jainism, belonged to a Srimal Jain in Ahmedabad. Sarabhai died on 31st December 1971 at Hollycone Castle, Kovalam, Kerala. He was visiting Thiruvananthapuram to attend the foundation of stone laying ceremony of the Thamba railway station. Being willed to service the newly created Thamba Equatorial received launching station and honored him, awarding Padma Bhushan in 1966 and Padma Vibhushan in 1972. Okay guys, this was the short biography of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. I hope you all have liked it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye. Take care.